Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Flutter on your Windows laptop or PC. As all you know, Flutter is an IDE for developing Windows software or mobile application. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser. Any browser will do, but I'm using Chrome, and here just type Flutter and enter. As you can see, this is their official website, flutter.dev. Just click that website here, and after clicking that you will find this web page. So this is their official website, and this is also an open source, so you don't have to pay anything. Just to download it, just click get started here, and after that you can see the different types of operating system to download. So we are downloading for Windows. Just click it here, Windows, and as you can see we are here, and to download it just click here, Flutter Windows 3.13.5. this is the latest version, and just click here, and as you can see my download is automatically started, but I previously downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. So but before going to my installation process, we need to keep these two things in mind. Do not install Flutter to a path that contains special character or space. Also, do not install Flutter in a directory like C drive program files. So we cannot install Flutter in these program files or in a path that contains a special character. So remember that. And now go to the downloaded file option. Go there, and this is my downloaded file. As you can see, this is a zip file, so we have to unzip it. Just extract here, and it will start to extract here. It will take a few seconds because all of the files to extract, so you have to wait a little bit. Be patient for that. As you can see, my extraction process is completed. This is the folder, Flutter folder. Just click it and copy it. You can either copy or cut it as you like. Copy it and go to your C drive. And as we know, we cannot paste it on this program file. So we're gonna just paste it here. Just paste it here. And my paste process is already started. It will take a few minutes depending on your PC and the speed performance of your PC. So just wait and be patient. As you guys can see, my paste process is completed, and now we have a few steps to complete installation. Now click the folder here and go to bin here, and here from here just copy the path. Just copy it, and now on search option select edit environment. Edit the system environment variable. You can see the option. Go there, and on advanced, go to environment variable, and here select the double click the path. Let me show you again. Here is the path. Double click it here and select new here, and just paste the path you copied previously and select OK, and then I OK, then OK, and our installation is completed. But you need to check if the installation is correctly completed or not. To check it, go to search option and search CMD here, and on here just type Flutter and enter. It will take a few seconds. Just wait a bit. If you saw these kinds of messages after typing the command Flutter on your CMD, that means your Flutter is successfully installed. So your Flutter is on your PC right now. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next